Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Evelyn, and as always my name is Evelyn. Now today I'm going to show you how to make Nigerian egg sauce, but we're taking this recipe to a whole new level. Now this isn't your basic tomato and egg mix. This is an elevated Nigerian egg sauce that is rich and it's packed with so much flavors. So if you want to know how I made this, please keep watching. So for this recipe, you are going to need a couple of ingredients. I'm using 5 eggs, some diced tomato and peppers, some chopped onions, some minced garlic and ginger, chicken bouillon, curry powder, canned chicken breast, vegetable oil and salt. The list of all the ingredients I'm going to be using will be in the description box, so you can check that out much later. Next, I'll season the eggs with some curry powder and salt. So to start cooking, I'll pour some vegetable oil into my saucepan, and once that has heated up, I'll add some chopped onions, minced garlic and ginger, curry powder, and I'll stir and let this fry until the onions are soft and translucent. Next, I'm going to be adding some chopped tomatoes and peppers. The ratio of tomato to pepper is totally up to you, but for this recipe I used 4 tomatoes, 1 bell pepper and 1 scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to stir everything and allow this fry until the water evaporates. Now this step is really important because it intensifies the flavor of your egg sauce. So to elevate the flavor of our egg sauce, I'm going to be adding some chunks of chicken breast. I'll just open and drain the water and it's ready to be used. Now back to our tomatoes. Make sure you stir at intervals so that it doesn't get burnt. And to know when your tomatoes are cooked, you'll notice that the sauce starts to thicken and the oil starts to separate and the tomatoes starts to taste slightly sweet. At this point, the tomatoes are cooked, so I've just added the chunks of chicken and I'll season with a tablespoon of chicken bouillon and some salt. Then I'll stir everything to combine and let this simmer on medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. If you've watched to this point, thank you so much. Please don't forget to hit the like button and also join the family by subscribing to my channel if you haven't already done that. I would really love to have you here. Now for the magic of this recipe, after about 2 to 3 minutes, pour in those fluffy whisked eggs and allow it to set. Now don't stir immediately. The key is gentle heat and minimal stirring once you've poured your eggs. This gives the eggs time to set and firm up. Now after the eggs start to set, you can use your spatula to gently stir. Make sure not to scramble too much if you like to see chunks of eggs in your sauce. Now let this cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat or low heat until the eggs become fluffy. Just like that, your egg sauce is ready to be served. So whether you're serving this with some yam, potato, plantain, bread or rice, this recipe will have everyone asking for more, trust me. Thank you all so much for watching, and that's it for today's video. I hope you'll be trying out this recipe, and if you do, please leave me a comment in the comment section to let me know how yours turned out. Please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my amazing recipes. Also share the video to your family and friends, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.